Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been good. You guys know the holiday season is around the corner, and in today's video I want to share with you guys my Shein haul. Yes. So guys, I did a little bit of shopping. Well, it doesn't look little, but yeah. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I bought, okay? Okay. Okay, guys. I have lots and lots and lots of packaging here. Goodness gracious. I bought this. I saw these little cotton, and I bought them for Michaela's room because she's a put on in Michaela's vase because she likes pink a lot. So that's that. Okay, time to do some trying on. So I got this white sweater dress. I love how it feels, soft and cozy. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay, so I like how it's looking, and it's for our like Christmas photo and dinner and stuff like that. So, you know, it's Christmas. We want to go like cozy and warm. So this is what we're gonna be wearing. Yeah, I like it. Sexy and nice. My next dress is this one here. Yeah. So this dress is if I'm going out, maybe a little date night away from the kids. I could wear it. Um, Simple yet sassy. So yeah, love it. Um, this one, yeah. This dress. The fun thing about this dress that it looks so simple and whatever, but when you put it on, I really like how it popped on me, like sophisticated. Give me that really nice sophisticated look. If somebody invite me to a Christmas dinner, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one. Okay. Now, for the new year, I hope and plan to visit church a little bit more often. So I bought this in like extra large, because it's for church. I don't want it to be like all close, praise him, to me. So this one is like really nice. And as I said, I'm hoping for the new year I will be going to church a little bit more often, like whatever. On Sundays, I want to go. Growing up on Sundays, church never missed us. So, I want to try to do that and like bring my kids as well. Now, people, me buy them two tights here. These two pants, I made for the same. I don't know. Them look better on the people on website. Me not have the bum. Me need some rump, more rump to go into these pants. Okay, but they are actually really comfortable and soft and nice. They're really soft and nice, and I like the quality. Every single one that I showed you today, the quality is really good. Okay, sometimes you buy it online and then the thing come, it looks so cheap and feels so like like flimsy, like cheap. But these one actually, I like this. The material is thick. It's very nice. I love it. Yeah. So that's my Shein haul. And of course, I got matching sweaters for my kids. Of course, I'll show you. This is for my husband. So this is the whole family. This is for my son. There. And for baby blessing. So cute. And of course, for Michaela. Yeah. And I'm gonna be wearing this one with them. So yeah, this is for our Christmas, guys. I also got these earrings, guys. They're let me see. So they are like wine cup with a little Christmas hat on top. Yeah. So yeah, these are cute. And they were just like $2, right? So it's worth it for the Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.